But what we really wanted to do today is we wanted an opportunity to help get this message to students. And so this is a true workshop, and we're going to be hoping that you can review some of the resources that we do have available, and that you can take those resources back to your schools, and that you can ask your teachers and your administrators, like your principals and vice principals, and say, hey, I know that there's some really important learning for us out there around consent education, around anti-sex trafficking, about ways to keep children and youth safe. This event is the first of its kind. We've worked with students and staff in order to bring awareness about the resources we've developed here within the Halton District School Board to prevent and support the safety of our students in all of our schools. We had almost 250 students join us, and we're very excited about the learning that's going to come from this. Our goal is, in partnership with SAVIS and EFRI, is to bring awareness to students so that they can take this learning back to their schools, where we can educate all students within the Halton District School Board. Our board has worked to develop resources in partnership with SAVIS and EFRI, as well as various community partners that are part of the Halton Collaborative Against Human Trafficking. These resources are ready to use in classrooms, and we cannot wait to ensure that our students are receiving the supports and the education that they need in order to stay safe in Halton.